What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ontario Car Spotters. Here at the Gear Up meet in Toronto. This meet looks crazy. There's a NSX. There's a white Carrera GT coming. White Carrera GT and an 812. Good way to start the show. CGT and an 812. Well, the queue for this is insane. Got an R33 GTR pulling up. Corvette, Supra, R8. Just non-stop stuff. We'll stay here a bit, then we'll look around. Because there's a ton of insane stuff in here. Some hypercars, just tons of stuff. It's got CGT, Pista, SVJ, Sport Classic, 620R, GT3 Touring, another Pista in this sick color with the bronze accents or yellow. Alright. Here's a closer look at the one SVJ, the Pista. Here's a CGT. Aventador S, Senna and SF90 on the other side. Here's a 620R. Wide body Liberty Walk Challenger. And an R35. Check this out. Chrome turquoise Aventador S. Sounds healthy. Moving on from the Aventador. Got a whole line of Porsches over here. We got two GT4 RSs right here. Then we got turbos, Targas, Tourings, a couple of 3RSs. Over here we got two 570s. Got a Volcano orange one. And then this like light blue color. That's like pretty sick. Supra coming in as well. Keep getting distracted by rivals. There's like a modified old Rolls Royce. What? Check this thing out. AMG GT, Cullinan, got 4 G-Wagons, I think 3 of them are 4x4s, got YYZ Curator, and the GT2 RS. Oh, actually no, that's not him in it, that's his car. Got a Huracan, got 3 R8s over here, got a multicolored 720, some pretty clean R8s. Moving along, we got a SLS and an SLR. And then R34 down here. There's a whole bunch of just random Supras, M cars, Camaros. But some more of the main crazy stuff is over this way. We got AMG GTR, Huracan, Sport Classic, 812, 650. Full GTR over here. Sorry, it's really loud. 600 LT. Artura, another pair of SLS and SLR, SF90, Senna, Aventador S, Black Series, and then 918. Here's the 2RS. Got the slammed rolls rolling by a 911. We got a slammed NSX right here. Vantage, 3 more GT3s. Touring, and then just a normal one, 570, and then another one coming in over there, 570, GT3, 2 more GT3 RSs. Watch it. Check that out, 2002, I think. Yeah. Wide body, that's super nice. Alright, Spider as well. Can't even film them all, but there's so many M3s and M4s here. There's an R8 leaving. Oh look, there's another one coming in green. Comes a stanced S2K. Bunch of stuff. And then all right. NSX, and then an R34 GTR. R35. S15. Okay. It's just constant cars rolling in, rolling out. That's what happens with these short events. We got electric cars rolling out. Got interesting AMG rolling in, which is non-stop action. Don't want to be mean, but worst dot spec. The Carrera GT is coming out, and the GT3 RS, so that should be good. Don't get hit by the Porsche.